Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to change color in pie chart in MS Word. Changing the color of a pie chart in Microsoft Word is a quick way to make your data stand out or match a specific presentation theme. You can change the colors of the entire chart at once using built-in palettes or customize individual slices to highlight specific data points. So here is exactly how to do both step by step. So if you want a quick professionally designed color scheme for the whole pie chart, use the chart design tool. For this you need to click on the pie chart to select it. This will open the hidden chart design and format tabs at the top of the Word window. So go to the chart design tab and click the change color button in the chart style group, and here is the change color. You need to click on that and choose a color palette from the drop down menu. For example, this blue. These are the great for distinct and contrasting slices colors. So you can use the different shades of a single color for a clean minimalistic look. For this you need to select the change color and select the color of your choice, like this one. So if you want to highlight a specific piece of data, making the largest slice brightening blue, you can format slices individually. For this you need to click once on the pie chart to select the entire data area, and now click a second time directly on the specific slice you want to change, like this one. So make sure selection handle appears only around that specific slice, and now right click the selected slice and click on the format data point from the context menu. A sidebar will open on the right side of your screen. In the sidebar you need to click on this basket. So in the sidebar click the fill and line icon. It looks like a spilling paint bucket. Expand the fill selection, select the solid color, and in the color bucket you need to choose your desired color, for example red one, and here you can see that. So if you want to change the color of this slice, you need to select it and go to the solid color and click on this color palette and change the color of your choice, like this one. So this is the simplest and easy way to change color in pie chart in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.